Hey hair loss, it's game, set, and match thanks to We Grow Hair Indy.
There's only one company that is the gold standard of hair transplants. We Grow Hair Indy.
You've got one shot. Make it count.
We Grow Hair Indy has done over 13,000 hair transplant procedures. We offer every proven medical solution for hair loss. Multi-unit hair grafting, the ARTIS robotic FUE, and the new biotech treatments give you the best results.
Want to grow your hair back? We Grow Hair Indy.
Do what I did. Make the call to We Grow Hair Indy.
More solutions, more hair.
We Grow Hair Indy. The one, the only gold standard in hair restoration.
Call now for your free evaluation. 888-724-5129 or go to wegrowhairindy.com and grow your hair back.